This is Houston, contact with a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey everyone, Randy Coppola, U.S. Launch Report. We just wrapped up the press conference here at Kennedy Space Center for the DSCOVR mission, and of course, as predicted, SpaceX received quite a few questions about the landing attempt that they're going to try to make 400 miles off the Atlantic coast to try and recover and reuse the Falcon 1.1 booster. But not only that, a lot of interest in the DSCOVR, the repurposed satellite that will give us advanced warning for space weather and the possibility of warning the Earth and communications power grids about the potential of oncoming storms so we can make appropriate actions. We can do things such as put satellites in standby mode and switch power capabilities to other grids to make sure that we withstand the impact of space weather. Hey everyone, Randy Coppola, U.S. Launch Report, and here I am at Launch Complex 40, Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, awaiting the launch of this Falcon 1.1 to launch the satellite, the DSCOVR satellite, out into deep space. The satellite, Deep Space Climate Observatory, is going to monitor space weather, which could come from solar flares. When it reaches the Earth, can black out communications and cause problems for our power grid. This will give us additional advanced warning so we can prepare for these instances.
So we're very excited about this today and about what's going on here. This is a set of firsts. Our first deep observing space weather mission, our first venture beyond GEO of any kind, our first launch on SpaceX, three very important ones in looking to the future. So I want to give my congratulations to the NASA, NOAA, Air Force, SpaceX, and broad science and engineering and operations team that got us to this point. Some have been working literally for decades for this particular mission to get it ready for launch and for operations.
Well, the primary concern there with aircraft over the poles in particular is incoming charged particle radiation associated with coronal mass ejection that's coming in. And what airlines can do over the poles is just simply lower the altitude. The more atmosphere you have over you, the more protected you are from charged particle radiation. You can also divert your route away from the extreme polar routes. That has been done in the past. So there are a couple of ways they can mitigate against the radiation effects of these storms.
All stations verified, go for launch. FTS, go. Prop go. AVI, AVI go. GNC, GNC go. Ground is go. PC go. GC go. RC go. OSM go. ROC go. DE go. MD, the permission to enter terminal count. LD, verified go to initiate terminal count. Launch director, go for terminal count.
Hey everyone, Randy Coppola, U.S. Launch Report. We're about 20 minutes out and all systems are go for this launch. So we're going to close out here and direct our cameras to the launch pad. Thanks so much for watching U.S. Launch Report.
T-minus 10 minutes, 30 seconds and counting. No issues being worked on any of the voice circuits. 3, 2, 1, mark. DC announced auto sequences, start terminal count started. GCDC standby on fire, standing by. RC starts the tracking camera video recorders. Tracking started. Rosen, set launch enable to flight. Flight. Starting M1 detail. At T-minus 8 minutes counting, Discover will go on internal power at T-minus 8 minutes. The full transition to internal power for Discover should be complete by T-minus 5 minutes. We're at T-minus 7 minutes, 25 seconds and counting. The upper cradle on the strong back is opening. Drawing back retraction should take place within about the next 20 seconds. T-minus 5 minutes. Discover poised atop the Falcon 9 rocket, ready to begin its mission. Launch planned for 4 minutes, 7 seconds from now. FTS is on internal power. Flight termination system is on internal power. FTS is armed. And armed. Standing by for a vehicle status check. MD, verify go for launch. Discover is go for launch.
Wait till the rain. Just wait till the rain says.
Assuming mode closing out. LD, verify go for launch. Falcon 9 is go for launch. Stage 1 tanks pressing the flight pressure. Launch Director Ricky Lim giving a go for launch. At T-minus 2 minutes, we'll stand by for a go from the range. The range control officer will confirm that the eastern range is go.
That's a good step.
Rock, verify range go. Range green. Good news, the range is green. No issues. No technical issues, weather is go, the range is go. Counting down to a liftoff at 6:03 and 32 seconds p.m. T-minus 1 minute, 5 seconds. BC, verify Falcon 9 is a startup. Falcon 9 is a startup. Stage 2 tanks pressing the flight pressures. The water deluge system is activated. Everything looks normal. T-minus 30. 3 seconds before launch, the Merlin engines will be commanded to ignite. T-minus 20. T-minus 15. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff. The Falcon takes flight. Propelling the Observatory on a million-mile journey to protect our planet Earth. 9 supersonic. Vehicle has reached maximum aerodynamic pressure. First stage prop is still nominal. Everything go. On telemetry remain nominal. Falcon and Discover passing through max Q. NVAC is chilling in. 2 minutes into the flight of Falcon. Vehicle remains on a nominal trajectory. Altitude 33.9 kilometers, downrange distance 20.9 kilometers, speed 1468 meters per second. Standing by for the first stage engines to shut down. First stage cut off in about 23 seconds. Vehicle remains on a nominal trajectory. Altitude 57.9 kilometers, downrange distance 50.0 kilometers, speed 2350 meters per second. We have meter 1. And we have main engine cut off. Confirmed. Second stage engine. Ignition. And we have stage 2 engine ignition. Has occurred on time.
It's not lighting.
The Falcon 9 Merlin vacuum engine producing 92,000 pounds of thrust, continuing to carry Discover to its place in space. Standing by for the fairing jettison. This will expose Discover to space for the first time. And we see the fairing jettison. Stage 2 propulsion is still nominal. Power and telemetry still nominal. 4 minutes and 15 seconds into flight. Downrange distance 215 kilometers, vehicle speed 2303 meters per second. Beautiful view of the first stage, the 2 fairing sections, and the rocket